ayabana nke iri na otu ya number 11 mmadụ erike ebe ahụ this one ebe ahụ sụọ ya sị gị people are much aya Nigeria edere ebe a people are much. That's bad English. Much is used of uncountable nouns. People is countable. It is collective plural, but countable. People are many. That's what you want to say. Many is used for plurality. Much is used for uncountable nouns. So much is for non-count nouns. Many is for count nouns. People are much. No, people are many. Correct. Nobody care about people are many. Good. Nobody care about people are much. In Eku, or bad English. But you can have much sand, much air, much time, much money. But many people, many boys, many girls, many times, many schools, many criminals. Okay. I got about number 12. Nke atọ n'ụtọ. Ebe a na-esi isi. Ị na-anụ ya? Onye jụrụ ebe a. Ebe a na-esi isi. Ị na-anụ ya? Ha! Onye Nigeria moves here. Pịarie gị. This place is smelling. Are you hearing it? Onye ga-asọ Igbo a ga-ekudebe aka otu ekudebe aka ka onye si n'elu. Ngana ihe ọ ga-ahụ the right thing. Ebe a na-esi isi ga-abụgodo this place is smelling. Wrong. This place smells. Correct. Oh, we find out more stative verbs. Okay? In stative verbs, Irika, are you hearing me? No. Can you hear me? Correct. In Anusia, can you smell it? Correct. Are you smelling it? Wrong. Oh, because are you seeing it? Wrong. Can you see it? Correct. So these are verbs that cannot be used in the progressive aspect. They cannot be used in the progressive aspect. Okay. Rabulia, this place smells. You smell. Yes, come and smell me. Correct. Come, let me smell you. Correct. You smell. You say, I don't smell. Smell me. Correct. I smelled him. He didn't smell. I have smelled him. He doesn't smell. Correct. It smells good. The smell is good. It could be aroma or some kind of deodorant. The odor. Yeah, but odor. Bad odor. Genaso. Bad odor. Then place some plantain. Oh, no, but not plantain. Are you a baby? I go to go neighbor, you will know, a joke. Then be some plantain. Because again, do you have pepe? Yeah, pepe. Ne pepe. Pepe. Yeah, pepe. You know, wouldn't buy you, buy get to look at those boys, but has some delay edge here came. I'm a naked football. Then the Super Eagles now ball with a country. The commentator on TV was saying Portugal. The NTA man on NTA, Nabuja, was remitting or translating whatever he was doing to also Portugal. Oh, I look at the main commentator Portugal. You Portugal. Nigeria. How do we get that for Nigeria? We have to see about Nigeria. I have the right thing. Nigeria. And I'm okay. Okay. I know what you So yeah, Portugal, do you know Portugal. Orima. It's not good. Why? It is because our people have difficulty verifying things we use and speak and all that. You must find time to verify what you say, what you use, what you write and all that. Don't write what you don't know. Don't say what you don't know. Don't speak the English you tomorrow. For say it's not my language. Okay, because it's not your language, so you can say whatever you want that is wrong in the environment. And corrupt young kids. Every chebure bitaram some kujibe. Can we engage you 200,000 kujibe? You get me 500,000. But when you begin on Naganate. Next. Oh, see. Number 13. In Ania, I'm smelling something. Are you hearing it? I hear the Nigerian English gap. But in the British English, I smell something. You smell it? In Ania, I smell something. You smell it? In Ania, Abronte. In Ania, with the nose, the nostrils, the sense of smell. In Ania, I smell something. This place smells. And when they see something smells here. In Ania, can you smell it? Yes, I can smell it. Can you smell it? Yes, I can smell it. Can you smell it? Can you smell something? Oh, here I see. Can you smell something? Yes, I think I can smell something. Like something is burning. You know, in there. All right. I'm perceiving something. I'm perceiving in a perceive and smell. Perceive. Perceive be in the sense, not in the nostril. Perceive be understanding. A special way you understand something. Idimat. Your wife, you just returned. Your wife brings food to you. You see how did I was hungry? You see, I perceived it. I felt it by a special means. It was possible she saw you yawning or behaving in a way that must have shown that you were hungry. Or saying, I perceived that you were hungry. Yeah. Are you there? Yeah. I know queer. I just seen a swan came. The kind of I know perceive, to perceive something, perceive and smell. I just seen a you smell things, you smell odor, you don't perceive odor. But perceive is about something you feel by a special means. Okay, you make a joke, and that joke offends me. Later, you come to me and say, I'm sorry. I said, why? What's the matter? I said, look, you say, I perceived that the joke annoyed you. And I felt it. You didn't tell me. You didn't even show it on your face physically. But I felt, or you felt I was angry and that I felt offended. So you came to me and said, I'm sorry. So you perceived it. So when you feel it, look, you say something is wrong here. I smell a rat. It means you feel that there's something is wrong and you felt it. I felt there was something wrong means I perceived that something was wrong. That's the meaning of perceive. but it's about smell. This place smells. You smell. I don't smell. I don't miss. Come and smell me. Come, let me smell you. Correct English. That's what it should be. So from today, do not confuse smell with perceive. All right. Let's go to the next thing. Let's go to number 14 in this book. In our Igbo, number 14 says, in our Nigerian English was saying, are you understanding me? Are you understanding me? In class, you are teaching. You say, are you understanding it? You can say, are you following it? But it's clumsy to say, do you follow? I said, yes, we follow. Now, are you understanding it? No. Do you understand it? Correct. Are you seeing it? No. Can you see it? Correct. Are you smelling something? No. Do you smell something? Correct. So, see, understand, smell, see. Do not use them in the progressive aspect. Though that understanding can be used as a verbal noun, meaning it is a noun that does or performs the job or the work of a noun. So the ing does not necessarily make it a verb. It makes it a noun. So to say, I like your understanding, correct. Thank you for your understanding, correct. Are you understanding me? No. Do you understand me? Correct. I don't understand her, correct. I'm not understanding her, bad English. Thank you. This one says, number 15, see, in Ahoyobia. I know when they go to your school, it's mommy, in Ahoyobia. When are you seeing it now? When are you hearing it now? No. Mom, can you hear that? Mom, did you hear that? Mom, can you see that? Mom, you see. Can you see it? Are you hearing it? Are you seeing it now? Are you seeing it now? No. But then, there's a reminder here. If you listen to BBC, if you watch BBC rather, maybe on radio or maybe on television, what we are hearing, what we are seeing. Now, Banya, I can't change it. For now, I can't say what we are hearing, what we are seeing. British people say it in the meantime. And I remember Asasubazio became British people. When English came in here, it was, before it came, it was estuary. Then when it came, it was called RP. It received pronunciation. Then when they left, they said the only means to disseminate the language to the world is via the BBC. So, Kitaina saw what is called BBC English. In the meantime, we've not changed from the stated verbs, the rules they apply in our own case, because mostly we are still using received pronunciation. So thank you very much. So Obulu, see, and I'm here now. Can you see it? Can you hear that? Did you hear that? Obulu, are you hearing it? Are you seeing it? No.